Thumbs up if you like the jokes. Hi everyone. Today's project is welcome to Tiny Takeover. Today's project is our friend and family signpost. Because we can't see our friends and we're going to visit them, we're going to make a friendship signpost and see how far they are from us or how many miles, or if they're in a different country. We want to see how we need to, and I'm going to use my saw and hammer and a laptop and these drills and some wood.
You're not using the drill, they just arrived in the post. With Daddy's new toys. Okay, so we are cutting to start with.
I'm wearing my gloves.
Actually, it's all cutting today, and then a bit of geography as well. We're going to be making lots of different signposts or lots of different signs on our signpost. You could use pallet wood, or I've got some old cladding. You could even use cardboard if you just wanted to do an indoor project. We're going to try and put this out in the garden. But I've got some of this panelling from an old bit of furniture that I've cut down into strips. So you can use the pencil to write on, or if that doesn't show up, you can do pointers. You can make them all different shapes, but you can do it like that, yeah? And if you don't like that, I'll give you a wet cloth and you can wipe it off and try again. It can be quite a short little stubby arrow. That's cool, yeah. Well done, that's fine.
No.
If you want to be more accurate with your arrows, and that gives you an angled line. So you could draw up there, then you turn it over.
Yeah, I might do that. Would up there? Your finger was down to
that. Okay, you're going to have to move to the left a bit because this is the straight one. Alright? That pulled towards you, yeah? What you can do, instead of just keeping going straight, you could tilt your saw down a little bit. That's it.
nearly there.
Good girl, keep going. Alright, go for a wobbly line away. It's quite a trick, isn't it? Hold on to the saw. And we'll try different ones. Yeah! That's it, just keep going straight. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Hello! Perfect cut. Keep that hand away. Go back and forward. Now look, what are you doing like this? You're not a chicken. Right, you're going to swap over. Hand on the workbench. Right hand on here. Okay, and you're just doing nice long strokes back and forward in that. Well done. Do you know what this saw's called?
No. Yeah.
What's his name? It's George. No, it's called a bandsaw. See this blade here? Mm-hmm. This blade is similar to this blade in here. And inside here, it goes all the way around in a big loop and then back up again. So it's called a band because it's like a big band. Yeah? So instead of going up and down, it's just going one way. Can you see when I rise this up? You can see more of the blade, which is, if you had to cut something that big, you probably wouldn't use this saw, but you need to see more of the blade, but it's more dangerous. So we're going to turn it all the way down until we can just sneak our wood underneath. About there. Well, it's much safer, and also the blade can't bend as much.
Your old school one?
Old school. And you're going to be cutting along that line. To start with, I'm going to keep my hand on top of yours. Okay, we mustn't put our hands anywhere near here. Now what was easier, this or the saw? I'm going to do some different lines and you're going to try and cut them. We'll do some straight ones to start with, and then we'll do some curvy ones, alright? So when we're doing curves, We're still pushing it through, but we're going to turn the piece of wood. Okay? That's it. So you can write the place on here, yeah? What we're going to do is follow the white line, so we're just going to push the wood through like that, yeah? Right, if I cut these in half, get everything ready, and then you can come and paint, okay? Do you want to go and write a list of all the people you want to put on your signpost?
Yeah.
Think of people far away and near, and then write them all down, and then we'll get the computer up, okay? Spread them out.
I did this one.
Doesn't really matter, they're all going to be mixed up.
Point. Oh, no. Take 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
2 brushes. I'm going to put a little bit in here.
Wait. I'm doing this one.
Okay, I need to go and find the chalk pen.
500.
Stay there, don't start painting the back until they've dried off. Tell some jokes.
Oh, okay. Why did the cow go away? Because he wanted to go to the movie night. No, because he wanted to go to the poopy night. Poopy night. Like, he didn't want to go to marry the duck. Because he loved the duck. Because he liked barking at it. Okay, the next one. Why was there a horse in the middle of the road? Because it was crashing into a car. Because it wanted to die. Why did the duck, red one didn't hurt, Spike move it and then go on the bike at home on the grass, but then to go cheeky and thumbs up if you like the jokes.
Joke time over. It's geography lessons.
Grandpa and Grandpa's house, Nanny and Granddad's house, Auntie Sue and Uncle Doogie's house.
And then you need to add some continents on the end. We've got Europe, we've got Asia, so you could do North America, South America, yeah.
Who lives in Australia? Africa, Arctic, Antarctica.
We're going to type in here where the houses are, then we just write down how many miles it is, okay? I'm sure people won't triangulate exactly where we live.
1.
5.5, 5.5.
5 miles?
Yeah.
What is how long is a mile?
A mile takes about, well, it depends how fast you're driving. It takes 2 minutes to drive. A mile. A mile's probably from here to the White House on top of the hill and back again. Martha. Where does Martha live? Saudi Arabia. This is if you're driving. 3,925. Milo's house. 5 miles.
Great Granddad's house.
Alia Martina, Stockholm. 1,290.
1,000.
All the way there, through Belgium, and then all the way up. 10 miles. 64. Grandma's house. Right, what are we on now? Ireland. 455. North America. 4.
4.
A 1. Next one down, do a 4, 4.
And then there's another 0.
No, and then another 4. There you go.
Australia.
That'll do. It's gonna be a big one.
Show. 1 mile. 3.
Sorry. Oh look, you just sneezed all over the computer. So we need to go and put a pole and then hammer those on. Right, most of these we can do off Google Maps. Milo. See on here the compass. You can see this blue like fan shape.
Yeah.
That's the way we're pointing. Bending it now down a little bit.
It's spinning.
Which way will it be? Woo! Whoa! See, they take a run up. Right, go on. No, because my hands are here.
No. What's this?
What? Take a swing. Hold the hammer, lower down the handle. There.
This way.
No, hang on. Wait. There. Pointing towards you.
The North Pole's up at the top.
Yeah.
How are we gonna do it?
The North Pole, that's just... Good question. The North Pole's not in the sky though, is it? This is the compass. All you need to know is north. So if you turn this, your white line at the top needs to point to the red. Good, so you know that that's north, so the North Pole is that way. So you can put it this side, which is quite handy. Pick another sign up.
East is that way. No,
Right,
that way.
Dinner time, but we'll come back and...
Let me see with the compass.
Harder. Now try hitting the nail. That's it, go on. Yeah, nice. Go on, keep going a bit more. Bella and Rex's.
Bella and Rex's. I had that one.
Smack bang that way.
Okay.
Okay. Stockholm, we need Ali and Martina. Back to the pole. Yeah, harder, bigger swing. The hammer. Right.
Sorry, but that's the end of the project. Yeah, try to sell for. Can I do that?
You got to sound a little bit more exciting than that.
And we did.
What continents did you do? Well, you did all of
South
them.
America,
Yeah.
Australia,
Yeah.
and then
Got
South Pole, North Pole,
Yeah, for the Arctic and Antarctica.
and Isla. Just be right.
I don't think Isla's a
Australia.
continent.
Thanks for watching our friends and family signpost and how we built it. I hope you can do it too. Next week we're building toolboxes. Bye! See you later, alligator!
Are you building a toolbox? You're just going to drive the car?
Our friendship!
There you go.
Our French! You just do it after me.
It's not French. not face. It's not French. It's friendship. Okay.